everybody, and thank you all for tuning in to my video. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So welcome back to another Cricut tutorial. Okay, so let me go ahead and flip the camera so I can show you all where I got this project. Okay, so when Cricut Design Space, you want to go over here to your left hand side where it says projects. You want to go ahead and click on projects, and right here in this search bar, I'm going to go ahead and type in Easter. And once this load up, now you can see all of the thousands of Easter projects that you can create here. As you can see, there are a lot. Right here, the project said 3,837. So you just go down and just see exactly what projects they have available. And if you don't want to forget where you saw it, or you don't want to forget your marking, just go ahead and click this little bookmark here, and it saves it in its own category. So you want to go to this little section at the top where it say all projects. You go ahead and click on bookmarks, and then right here you can see. Okay, so now we can go ahead and put our pillow together. So the first thing that I want to do is go ahead and fold our score marks. Now we also have this little cutout in the middle. You can either place a cellophane piece there, or some type of like baggie. So this is a bag, or you can use some acetate. So I didn't have any cellophane or acetate available, so I'm just using a plastic bag. Because I would like my candy to be seen from the outside. Okay, and if you don't want that to be seen from the outside, you can also place like I have like this little circle here. You can also place like some cardstock on the back, and this is how it will look on the front. It's up to you, but I want my candy to be seen. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and attach this outline here for the little rabbit, and I'm going to be using my hot glue gun. Alright, now the next step, I'm going to go ahead and place some hot glue on this little strip here, and I'm going to press it against the opposite side. Okay, go ahead and open up our box. I'm going to go ahead and fold this one side in, and then I'll fold the other one on top, and that will create like our side piece. So this will be like our side piece here, and then we will do the second one as well. Oh no, I forgot to place the cellophane piece in there. Oh geez. Hold on guys. I'm gonna have to take this apart. And I was not going to edit this part out, because you can see sometimes we mess up and it may not be perfect the first time. I totally forgot that. Okay. Sorry. Forgot to place this on. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and place some hot glue around the bunny. Then I'll place my baggie on top. Alright, now we can go ahead and glue the strip back. It's all good. Figured it out real quick. And look, you can't even really tell that I had to take it apart. Okay. Go ahead and fold that back over and fold over our side. Okay, so now we can go ahead and place our candy inside. to make sure that we're able to close it. And we are. Okay. Oh, cute. And this is how it turned out. Really cute and nice. All right. And you can also like personalize it by putting like maybe the name on the back, or put Happy Easter. Okay. All right. So let me know what you all thought in the comment section below. If you liked the video, thumbs up. If you loved the video, make sure you share it with your family and friends. Have a great one. Bye.